Install the LED panels. Connect the power cord. Remove the cap from the device's top and carefully pour in 100 milliliters of water. Press the power button to activate the device. Duration: 15 minutes. Mode: blue light. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable. Wrap the recipient's head with a disposable towel and cover the neck. Remove facial makeup and excess sebum using a makeup remover. Evenly apply facial cleanser across the face. Gently wipe the face with a washcloth. Apply toner to the skin. Wear gloves and disinfect the face with iodophor and saline. Sterilize the acne needle with saline. Extract the comedo. Wipe the face with saline, then apply a calming and repairing gel. Cover the eyes with cotton pads and place protective goggles. Device application. Duration: 15 minutes. Mode: blue light. Remove the goggles and cotton pads, then apply a mask. Tips: apply a refrigerated mask to calm and soothe the skin. Wipe the face again with a washcloth. Finish by applying toner, serum, and facial cream. It is recommended to undergo 1 session per week, with a full treatment course comprising 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnancy or lactation, heart disease or the use of a pacemaker, unhealed surgical wounds or recovery phase from surgery, epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, skin conditions or infectious diseases.